bucket.
Put it in the bucket. What about one over here? You see a purple one? Yeah. Hey.
That one's got silver dollars.
Put it in the bucket.
Doubloons.
We got more to find. Come on.
Look at Grandma's feet.
Any more?
Sorry, Chad.
Oh! Yeah!
Yellow.
What at Grandma's other foot? Yeah! Glad he knows that one.
Andrew, way to go, guy.
Oh, there's some more. Oh, look at the chairs.
Dad.
Can you see the chairs back there? You see the chairs?
Disabled.
The chairs' feet? Yeah.
Did you get them out?
Yeah.
Down the steps now, I believe.
Oh, really?
I think. Unless they were moved. I think they might have been moved.